We say step them mad. First time for me, I'm ready. Oh, my teacher go through. So we are go all the way down there, so. And look on the heap of steps them, so make sure say when you're ready to walk up some one whole heap of step. And then look, the people that down there so again. Oh, that's supreme! Outside. Dog a cool off. Aye, Brown. I try to get a really good description of how a place look. Get that fine but now watch it. I'm gonna get my money. Yo, I never look one. A nice long piece of work. Now I can do all that after. Yeah, blessings and respect to all my Jamaica walk by massive. If you don't know, big up every time and tune in for another episode on Jamaica walk by. So right now we're in the hills of Harbourview. As you can see, look behind me. We're in the hills of Harbourview and we're in one place called Cane River. You see me I say? So Cane River is located in a Harbourview side. You know, like you follow the airport or you go towards the St. Thomas side, yeah, you just take a left turn if you're going to St. Thomas. Or if you're far from St. Thomas side, you take the right turn and go up in the hills and up in them nice places. In? So right now I'm tell a little bit about Cane River. So Cane River now one of them rivers that were subtle, you know what I mean? As you can see the valley and all them things up on the hillside. It's just beautiful, it's just nice, it's just well said. Big up my general, respect you see it. I mean I tell you the place was nice. So at the first time for me, so let me get that out of the way. The first time for me, I'm going to show you exactly what Cane River looks like in an hour time. You see me I say? So if you just start watch it, if you want to start like a video, you can start like a video from now. If you're new to the channel, remember you have to subscribe. You see me and turn on the notification bell. So every time I drop a video like this, you are going to be notified every time I post. You see me I say? So without further ado, remember, do the right thing. Like the video and subscribe. And also start commenting if you know what Cane River look like. And all of them things about me say it's beautiful and you don't know a little history about the place. Then say yes, so Bob Marley always forward, come relax, chill out and hold back some meditation. So if you know about that story there, yeah, right, that's so Cane River in a Harbourview. So let's go and show you the place entail and what the place is all about. No joke. Remember, it's not a narrating video. We're just going to show you exactly what the place look like. Zin, a mad thing, man. Let's do this. Alright, yeah. So as you can see, we're the right at the entrance of Cane River. You don't know what a place like this without a sign like this. You know what I mean? Welcome to Cane River Falls. A mad sitting man. So yeah, this is what it look like. So we just roll through. That way you can't miss it. Manners and respect, see? So you can't miss it once you're forward. This is where the gate look like from the outside. So from here forward up on the road, yeah, kind of road not so 100%, but it still work. You see me? Yeah. That. Alright, so if you're forward, let me show you this. There's a sign at the gate. I say, yo, see it there? The fees and thing, entry fee, adults $500, children 4 to 12 years old, $300, closing time 5:30 p.m. Notice. See? Persons entering the caves to the fall do so at their own risk. We are not liable for loss or damage to property or persons. Cane River, what that smile management. Alright then, big up every time. Kinda look away still, but me hope me read it correctly. So right so you get to purchase all of the things. In general, we probably just walk up to you if you pull up in a one vehicle. For gear the cost and them things, you see me? Yeah, so this is it. And we're there, Cane River. Alright, so this is a place I know you have bathroom, food places, and the fall. Blessed fire. Mad. Yeah. No joke, no doubt. So as you can see, food place and thing. So yeah, massive, big up and respect me teacher. You're good. Big up yourself. Whole heap of parking, Anyway, you want to park pretty much you can park. You have a restroom up here. Place where you can change, wash off, make sure you're fresh up back for the street, fresh up back for the road. Food, liquor. So if you're not forward, you don't have to carry no food at all because you have restaurant the right so where curry goat, fried fish, fried chicken, festival, you name it. The menu tall. The beautiful ladies there, all Hennessy there, top chef liquor there, Red Stripe, Heineken, Guinness, everything you can get at that nice good spot here. I don't know the restroom up there, so we don't really video the restroom and them thing there. But yeah, pretty much I just saw the top parts there. Make a walk go down at the river. We see what it look like. I say a big parking, so you don't have to worry. Big parking. Parking everywhere. And you have a little security there too, so make sure so you're good and everything alright and it's a vibe, it's an energy. So let's go. So if we get to the river, it's actually a little walk, you know what I mean? It's a good little walk. You got the river and thing. If you're afraid of cold water, you know the chap go. Yeah, no joke. Alright. It look like rain out for bus still, but I hope say in a bother with that we get a good day. So as you can see, this is how we river forward from off of the hill. Whole heap of landslide kind of go on and thing, but which part of there you're safe from all of that. And see the river run down there so. And the good thing. And the road actually there above it too. Mad. But tons of parking and things, so let's go. So this is just a nice representation of what the river look like. So you can't go wrong when you're forward. Because you know, so some do me thing. Yeah, fire, blessings, respect. So this is us. So this is where we're gonna walk now to go where the falls is located. Can you see? Couple of makeshift things, but oh, firm and strong. Few steps and thing. And we are go through. And as I say, at the first time for me, when I see cars for forward in here, as I say, it is just beautiful. And yeah, you know, the sound and nature and the waterfall is just amazing. A mad thing. Mad. And at the road that up there, so there's a next sign to notice persons entering the gate. Oh, the same one like where they are the gate. Yeah. I have a gate right there, so. Mad. So it's like a cave you go walk through. You go down there. Mad. Find that on the stone. Nice. So I actually stand up right underneath the road. See that? Right underneath the road. Yeah, people right up on the wall, them and up on the stone them. Man. Let's go. See, there's some steps here. See. What me teacher? We say step them murder.
No.
The G say elevator and take a work. Yo, when you look how the place make, Jaja, all nature make this, you know. Trees are grow up on the stone again. Man, it's a beauty. I'm hear enough people always talk about the heap of steps. So, I'm a whole heap of step. Bless your respect. We say step them mad. First time for me and I'm ready. Big up for yourself. Blessed. Oh, my teacher, I got you. So we are go all the way down there, so. And look on the heap of steps them, so make sure say when you're ready to walk up some one whole heap of step. And then look, the people that down there so again. We are down there, so we are go. Yeah man, let's go. We're ready. So if you watch this far and you like the video yet, please, I'm asking you to like the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you don't. And turn on the notification bell. See? Yeah. Well then rock your there for years and then no move or then no collapse. So I hope so then good. So let's go. More step. Boy, supreme. Down the river. So it's a very nice place for you to come and picnic with your family, with your friends, just like what we are doing today. You know, we are Extreme Arts and some of the video crew youths them and so actually there today. A picnic and I decide to say, yo, the first time for me, so I'm going to do a video. But as some whole heap of step. And some big wall. Man. No joke. Beautiful. So yeah. This is pretty much what the place look like. And think whole heap of people there at the river today. I know me I go up on top of them rock, you know, if you see a good look of view right here. Oh, that's supreme! Outside! Dog a cool off. Aye, Brown! Yeah. So, it is beautiful. Very nice space to forward with your family and friends. And just hold back a joy. Relax. And kick it. Whole heap of dolly there too. How would that eyebrow second? She not going in the water. Oh, she not going to swim. In the water. Yeah. Kean River. So the falls they're on the other side. I catch the falls, I know. How are things them there? Are your foot them there? Rock, stone. I found the thing them at all? Oh. I be your water there so. Be your water that. Oh God. I like how my drone, I can't put it there so. I'm going to rest you up here so. I drone in this so I probably can put it side of your foot. Yeah. Where boy Supreme? Oh yeah. Better everybody ready to catch it. Oh yeah. That ain't this. Yeah, slide that everything. Then slide that way, so I catch it I run. Oh, but I throw it over there. Yeah, dog. Slide me a slide, I come down a while ago, I run, move to catch it. What? How cold the water is, you? Can you know you're not doing that cold water, you know? Sweet. Mad. Change, me I go change and I'm ready for it. Yeah. Cane River. Nice to go by. Water nice. You know, you have to come here and find a little spot. Yeah. You understand that? Now the numbers. No, you have to find a little spot. So when you come on the place sometimes, you see a bag of people like the John was there. Yeah, but you have to find a local spot and not hold your own. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Take too long. Can't make no love. Yeah. Man. That they are going to be. I show them the falls and see what going on. Yeah. A mad thing massive, so they are going to look on the falls up on top because you have a beautiful falls. No joke, no doubt. May I behave like I try make I take off the socks here because I can't bother. I more wear go back home. I can't bother. See through my foot them not so pretty. I can cover them up, you know. Football foot. Yeah man, if you go take on the fast you know. Yeah man, if you go in there, go take it off. Right away extend them man. Yeah, eyebrow can go on. Up them you go here now. Hold on, I'm left for burger. I open about the soak you know. Lean right. What? I'm going to drop phone the soak, that's all I'm on it. I put pushing one of them pocket of him. Can see it. Yeah, they got some more for us to have, G. I'm trying to put the crooks in a sport mode. Manners. And put the crooks in a sport mode. Put the crooks in a sport mode, is it? it now, man. Can't walk through that, sir. Oh, fuck. Oh, whoa. Yo, man, try to reach out that far, guys. Can't go underneath it. Yo, right now the falls powerful. Can't even go underneath it. Yo, the smart to the dam. Come on, black you up so I can get to the knee here. See them put up the sandbox. yeah, Cane River. Nice vibe, nice energy. No joke. Beautiful place. Vegetation. You don't know Jamaica sweet still, you know. Once you can hold a good vibe, you down your bridging them. Alright. You just want to be safe and live in a love. You see everybody there so just a easy and just a cool off. And just a want to do the chop, no problem with that. The dolly then come out, all sort of things. So you know me I go take a wash after you know me I have to take a dip. I have to take a dip. Because I need to change it because you know me I try to show you what the place look like. Yeah. And I try to make you get a really good description of how the place look. So I say you just forward with your clothes, then you just have a vibe, it's nice. Beautiful place. Yeah man. Good for your kids them too and everybody. So yeah, really nice place. Love it already, I'm not gone in the water yet. Woo. So look like you're trim, mister. Hey bro, where's a rock man? So that nigga. So go on. Natural massage. You don't go by falls yet? You don't go by falls? Yeah, they might back it up so more people can get to swim. They might put some sandbag so it can get wider so more people can get to use it. Yeah. Yeah man, Cane River. I'm mad sitting there man. Wow man, making people then see me now man. Yeah. All about Cane River is a good local vibe, you know what I mean? I enjoy myself so far. Sitting, water kind of, I think the water is cooler than this, but actually it's not that cool. So it's very, 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 very subtle. And I know some my word that it's subtle, that means it's bearable, it can deal with. So all of my foreigners them we used to hot water and things, you know, go that temperature but it's all on the cooler side, you see me? Oh yeah, Cane River is a vibe and listen me now man, if you watch Jamaica walk by and you know what we're about, you need to start watch Jamaica walk by more often. Watch the other videos them if you're new, you understand? No joke, no doubt. Because of them things I may give it to you. Natural, authentic, raw, uncut, good vibe, good energy. I'm showing you exactly where place and time look like. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Jamaica walk by. Road to 1 million subscribers, you hear that? 1 million me a deal. No joke, no doubt. I Brown take over and grip right now. A great man in our business. Oh, make sure you go check out him Instagram to one of the biggest photographers in our whole Jamaica. I'm not telling no joke. I Brown. I Brown photos. I Brown photos. You see? Figure that, make sure you get it right. Cool? And you still do drone footage and all them things. So all I massive them, you want video and you want good quality drone, nice drone. I see you with FPV. I see you with Mavic and all them things. So if you want good drone shot, link up I Brown. Why your personal page again? I just see one you use. Just see one. I Brown photos, link him up and you see it. I'm a chat man. Look good now man. Figure that. Outside me there. I don't know my brother right down there so Extreme Arts. I make the rhythm where busy signal depend and say happy birthday yeah, my friend. Yeah, 1 more year upon them. Extreme Arts that. Cash flow extreme. Talented youth. Now play with him you know. Remember me telling you that. One of the greatest we ever do it. Extreme Arts. So big up the entire Cash Flow family. Father P, DJ Cash O'Neil, Rinse. All of the man them big up every time, man. And I go on all the energies in. Outside me there. All of we there, all of vibe. A Cane River. We see if we can get look of blessings off of Bob Marley, you know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. Yeah, man. Yeah, beautiful, no joke. Beautiful place. Good for your family, good for everybody. Just want to know, watch over on the kids and everything should be alright. You get it? And then we can go over that side. I walk on the stone them like a written rock, man. You see that, John? Yeah. Alright, we can go. Let's see if we can climb the rock here. Ah. What? Way out. See it? Place big and pretty, man. All heap of stone there if you can fall out, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, so you don't know. I go actually hold a vibe you now. Easy. Myself. Yeah, so you don't know, it's just a vibe. Next thing day to them they want Lexi forward, but unfortunately she couldn't make that one. So we just have to go and do it and think. But big up and respect, man. The vibe is nice, the vibe is right, the river is beautiful. First time up here, I'm hoping to get a really good description as to what Cane River look like and what it's all about. I believe that this is supposed to be as hard as the fall is supposed to be, because right now we have some crazy weather in Jamaica when it comes on to rain. So I think that in the summer part the water probably not so heavy, or maybe so much water not there. But now that's crazy rain there in Jamaica. The fall, you really can't stand up underneath the fall. Them say feel like it, I broke your back or broke your neck. So you don't know, and then you have to make sure too. A falls and whatever rock there night, so rock cannot come with the water, stop you on the head side or somewhere. So you have to be careful or you go underneath a high fall like the one up there. So it's all blessings, it's all love. And big up to all the other YouTubers them out there, we do great work. I think a Brianna video I watch. I think it was Brianna, I think that's her name. Brianna, big up yourself. I hear a video I watch and say, wow, but I really like to see that place here. So big up yourself and keep doing the good work. See? One love, respect to all. And again, please remember to like the video and give it a thumbs up if you love the content. Zin, mad love, mad respect. Road to 1 million subscribers. No joke, no doubt. Let's go. In there? Yeah. Say no. I never know how to do this. No, I'm going to give back money. So when you go in there and just what? Book up on it? Yeah. A joke is. Yo, you know the search and stuff. How do you do that? Feel the feel on there. If you have time on our shit, I'm going to get back the money. Yo, I'm going to look one. A nice long piece of work. Hold on. Now I can do all that after. see what you have to see. I choose the camera. Oh, you know that one. That's it. Cane River have whole heap of parts. Man, all of them here are falls aim where get a nice massage and all of them things. Mad thing. Woo! Wow, look at this. Whoa. I know so when time I go on a tour, I go on a detailed tour to make you see exactly what the place look like. Amazing, man. Yeah. Beautiful, look at this. Wow. Can you see a water cut them a stone here, man? Yeah. Massive. I did really think it did smaller than this. But big. Big, man. Big. And you still have step on them thing around there, so. Forward down. Big. So I don't know if you walk, which at me walk. Big, man. So if you're part of the Cane River, there's so much things to see. Whole heap of space. Whole heap of space. I'll go up on the rock there. What? Why? Whole heap of space. Whole heap. Whole heap of space, man. Whole heap of space. Look at that. Whole heap of space, man. Okay. Alright, let's go down. Wow. And guess what? Water not cool at all, if you tell you the truth. Not cool at all. Big, whole heap of space. Wow. A mad thing. Yeah, man, a mad thing. Yeah. No joke, no doubt, man. So if you're not forward, just forward, man, come have a joy. River there for everybody, you see me? River there for everybody to enjoy and have fun. You know what I mean? Crazy swim, I go swim and I'm get a nice massage from them falls, yeah. And thing. So Cane River Harbour View. Yeah, like I go to St. Thomas, but I'm not so far. Just a little bit out of Harbour View. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's have a look up. The dip street, you know what I mean? Okay. Yeah, man. Crazy does it. Yeah, man. Oh yeah. Yeah, what you mean? There. Outside. Plus I make back my way to recharge the rest of the crew there. Oh yeah, big up all of my die-hearted subscribers them. I don't know anything of crazy Jamaica content forward, you see? And things so. Anyone who never fought a Cane River, I don't know what it look like, you know. I don't know if I'm not going to show so. Some of the stone them kind of pointed. But we are go through crazy fun. Me there with eyebrow, extreme arts, and some more of the general them. You see? While we are going easy back and I have a little bit of fun. You don't know what I mean? Big up me General Marvin Sinclair, Cadine Sterling. You don't know Elizabeth Thompson, Orient Freestyle. Big up Cameron Family TV. All heap of other people them. Big up on yourself. You know what I mean? Yeah, big up to all my members too. Set, big up yourself. Yeah man. All the people them will subscribe. The membership on Jamaica Walkway. Big up on yourself and respect. Where's the extreme arts? Outside. Yeah. Wait, him can't swim. Wait, him can't swim. What's that? Watch out. Yeah. We're there. Water nice. I'm a thing massive. Big up every time. No joke. Mr. Massive, just as me look off the camera, you don't know say. One of my general, I see just pulling in a place. The man around the ground, streets of Kingston. Look now man, look good. Streets of Kingston, that 2 time come.
Don't know, Chaparas, streets of Kingston, you hear that? White night, see that come through.
Lord, that's good.
Yeah man, see that the whole way say man, you hear that? I don't know, big up Jamaica Walkway program, I don't know, Fabian. A mad thing man, I say a word man.
What we outside?
Cane River outside.
Oh, you mean? Look good now man.
One white night now.
White night.
Yeah man, you don't know. David, 103.
Respect every time. Yeah, my teacher. Yeah man. Remember some first time meet in person, downtown man.
Yeah.
That Vibes Cartel thing. All that shit. Let me see him one man.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, big up and respect man.
Yeah man.
White night, seal it now. Blaze up.
Man,
respect man. I wish I know dolly this.
I'm looking to general man.
Oh, no problem, man. You mean? Man, we outside. So, we just show them what I go on a Cane River, so we there and live and I go and enjoy ourselves. You don't know? Oh, you mean? So, yeah, man, massive. I'm a general. You know, see me. And most of the time, I'm there around the Hero Circle side. I remember in front of the streets of Kingston. You understand? No joke.
One Chaparas.
One Chaparas. White night.
One white night.
Outside. You mean?
Outside.
Watch your vibe. Yeah, man.